Hello everyone, welcome to SGS Japan channel. Today I'm going to introduce Automotive Cybersecurity, focuses on ISO 21434. This mini course consists of 3 videos. Please check out the other contents as well if you are interested in WP29 and ISO 26262. So this video focuses on ISO 21434. I'm going to introduce the overview of this standard. While connected cars, autonomous cars, and other vehicles that are connected to the network have increased, and it makes transportation more convenient. But vehicles are now also exposed to the threat of cyber attacks. So now a lot of organizations have been developing rules for cybersecurity to prevent a cyber attack. Today I'll explain an overview of Automotive Cybersecurity Standard ISO SAE 21434. The Automotive Cybersecurity Standard ISO 21434 provides a framework that defines the engineering process for cybersecurity across the life cycle. It published in August 2021, and the guidance in the regulation says that a process compliant with ISO 21434 is going to be a base for accountability under WP29. The requirements of ISO 21434 are structured into 7 chapters, chapter 5 to 15. So I'll explain an overview of each chapter from now. Overall cybersecurity management in Chapter 5 are organization-wide cybersecurity management, which include definition of policies and processes, structures including roles and responsibilities, risk management, audits, and base quality management or information security management. The project-dependent cybersecurity management in Chapter 6 defines cybersecurity activities, including the project planning, project structure, work products assessment, and release. Distributed cybersecurity activities in Chapter 7 is applied when cybersecurity activities are distributed to suppliers. It defines the distributed activities, including supplier selection, request for proposal or quotation, contract, interactions between customers and suppliers, and agreement conclusion. Chapter 8, Continual Cybersecurity Activities, defines the requirements for collecting information, cybersecurity event evaluation, and vulnerability identification, analysis, and management. Chapter 9, Concept Phase, defines requirements for item definition, risk assessment, cybersecurity goals, and cybersecurity concepts to be implemented during the concept phase of vehicle development. Product development in Chapter 10 defines requirements related to cybersecurity requirements definition, architecture design, verification, and testing to be implemented in system, hardware, software development. The cybersecurity validation in Chapter 11 is for vehicle-level items. Requirements for cybersecurity validation for vehicle-level items are defined in here. The post-development activity consists of production in Chapter 12, operation and maintenance in Chapter 13, and decommissioning in Chapter 14. Operation and maintenance also includes the cybersecurity incident response and software updates. Threat analysis and risk assessment method in Chapter 15 defines requirements for assets identification, threat scenarios identification, impact analysis, threat analysis, attack path determination, risk value determination, and a selection of risk treatment options. The areas of ISO 21434 relate to the development, production, quality management, and information system departments, so it requires integrated activities by the organization. Here is a table of roles for each department, so please check out it as a reference. Thank you for watching this video. We are offering a lot of training and consulting services for cybersecurity. Please check out the descriptions below for more details. Thanks again. Bye.